Hey guys, it's about beer 30. Let's take a walk into the kitchen and see what's in the fridge today. Hello everybody, welcome to Gregsbeerreviews today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today's beer comes from Hop Butcher for the World. Jeremiah sends me their beers. He's with them. This is the last one out of the beer package. Sad. But they've been all damn tasty, and I expect no different from this. They do their beers exceptionally well, just like a lot of other ones have woke up and are producing some really tasty stuff. So, Bird of Epic Proportions. This is the 2021 edition, packaged on 08/02/21. Talus, Nectaron, and Simcoe Hop Double IPA coming in at 8%. Big 16-ounce can, heat shrunk label on it. These guys are up in Illinois, and you cats around the brewery there, you're the lucky, damn lucky. Alright, Untapped, 8%, and the same commercial description as usual on their beers. It's on the bottom of the can there. So, the pictures look like a hazy double IPA, so let's find out. Not super hazy, it ain't gonna be orange juice, that's for sure. Alright, good looking beer. Almost 2 fingers of head on that, and guys, it is slightly cloudy, slightly hazy. I can see light very easily through the thin part of the glass on the bottom. Very nice looking beer. I might just say this is a hazy beer. I don't know if I would jump in and say it's a New England style beer, especially from these guys. They do a whole lot of other ones that are a whole lot cloudier than this, but let's see what we got. Still good looking beer. To the nose we go. Tangerine, grapefruit. Maybe some tropical fruit notes in there, but the orange and tangerine, grapefruit are standing out to me. Let's dive in. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, Jeremiah. Thank you, my brother. I do appreciate it. Your beers are welcome here anytime, my friend. More of a tangerine taste with a little bit of orange and grapefruit underneath, but tangerine to me is standing out big time. Big time tangerine to me. I mean, it's very prominent. Maybe that's the Talus or the Nectaron. The Nectaron could be bringing up, could be more nectarine. I don't think I've had too many nectarines in my day, but it could be. So guys, it's right out of the fridge. Let's go sip on it. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Little bit of lacing is left on the glass. Well, I would say a little bit more than a little bit. Very nice lacing is left on the glass. Guys, I wouldn't quite consider this a New England style beer. It's just my opinion though, but it has big time hop aroma. I mean, the tangerine is just off the chain. Awesome beer. I would classify it as a hazy, hoppy, West Coast style. So, very delicious. I would too. very well done. I mean, the alcohol is super well hidden for an 8%er. Drink responsibly, guys. Don't think you can go out and drink a bunch of these and drive somewhere. The Talus and the Nectaron. I've not brewed with Talus before. The Nectaron is probably where I'm getting the orange tangerine taste from there, guys. So, and maybe the grapefruit from the Simcoe. So, tasty beer to me, guys. 90 for me. That's where I'm going to put it. Definitely into the A category. Beer Advocate doesn't have any scores on it yet. And Untapped only has it at 3.87. So that's in their B plus range. So giving it the benefit of the doubt, and 1,147 people have commented here, or I think one on Beer Advocate. So that's what it is, huh? Guys, if you've had Bird of Epic Proportions from Hot Butcher for the World, the 2021 edition, let me know what you think. Till we meet again, let's go see what's in the fridge.